How to open a demo account on Real MetaTrader 4. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a demo account on Real MetaTrader 4. Let's get started. You can find this app both on Play Store and App Store as well. So once you have installed the app, what you can do is just open it and it will ask you to open a demo account, so you can wait for a sec and this setting will pop up where it says welcome. You will have to click on accept to its terms and conditions, and now it is saying you to open a demo account. By opening an account, you agree to the account opening terms and the data protection policy of MetaCodeSoftware.corp. So just tap on open an account, and once you do that, your demo account will automatically be created. You don't need to give any credentials like before, like your phone number or your email. You don't need any of that. You can simply create a demo account. So if I tap on manage accounts, here this is a demo account where I have 100,000 USD as my points, and you can even create another demo account from here if you don't see the option at the first. And then from here you can invest those on these demo trading sites where you can invest the points that you've been given on your demo account. That's how you basically use your demo account on Real MetaTrader 4. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.